Updating your legal name on WorldRemit is an important step to ensure that your account details are accurate. Follow these steps to quickly and efficiently update your name. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the WorldRemit website or open the mobile app and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use sRug to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Select name change option. Look for the option to update your personal information or specifically your name. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Provide documentation. You will need to upload legal documentation that verifies your name change, such as a marriage certificate or court order. Follow the prompts to upload the necessary files. Step 5. Submit your request. After entering your new name and uploading the required documents, review your changes and submit the request. You should receive a confirmation email once your name has been updated. By following these steps, you can ensure that your legal name is updated on WorldRemit efficiently. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to their customer support for assistance.